Today we're unboxing the Logitech H390 USB computer headset, which we've got right here. One of the reasons I like this is because it's comfortable and then also has a nice noise canceling microphone. So if stuff is going on in the background, you can still use this. It's got some information here. It shows you connected to your USB and then how to unfold this and then also control and adjust the volume with this. So this is a good headset for making calls, gaming, or doing voiceovers. That's what I'm going to use this for, is doing some video voiceovers. So we'll see how that goes. But in general, the noise canceling mic is pretty good. They've got a good microphone in there. So we just fold that out, and you can see you can position and adjust that. And then you've got some nice padding up here at the top. You've got padding on the ears as well. And then you can adjust this to whatever size you need. Left and right adjustment for your head. And then just so that you are aware and you know what is going on here, this connects to your computer with a USB. So it's not a traditional speaker port, it is a USB. You have to understand that when you use this. And then right here, it's got this handy volume control here. So you can press down or up right here, and then a button in the middle as well. So very easy to use, good in terms of the noise canceling, and then you've got some comfortable earmuffs, as well as up here you've got some padding as well. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.